people who have assembled here. The day originates from the Lord. It's a blessed day and blessed on two accounts. There's a legacy that will be handed over in a few moments. I take great pleasure in inviting each person. Kindly take it as my personal invitation. I will run through the agenda such that you know what will happen. We will first have the briefing of the book, then the book launch, the authors speak, and we have 4 dignitaries today, concluded with the vote of thanks. Thank you. And now, with great joy and personal happiness, I would like to introduce Mrs. Nirmala Waria, who will do the briefing of the book, Family First. First, she is a homemaker and she molds and weaves a beautiful silver web around all her family members, and the latest edition is a beautiful granddaughter. Apart from that, Nirmala is an educationist. She's also an author, loves writing poems, a blogger, a dancer. And when you see her, she brings life to the inanimate. She is a wonderful woman and a toastmaster, not a toast mistress. May I present Mrs. Nirmala Waria. Get your hands together for Nirmala Waria, who will present the briefing of the book. Over to Mrs. Nirmala.
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for those wonderful words of introduction. Good afternoon, friends. I'm delighted to be here at the launch of this book. I wish to share my thoughts about this remarkable book, Family First, Build Family, Build Nation. The title is very telling. It is the family that helps build the individual members who go on to build the nation. Such a simple concept if you think about it. Ironically, the most overlooked. Children are born and nurtured in families, almost seeming like a force of habit or even conditioning, falling in line with societal expectations. Our author couple here wish to open our eyes to this very crucial oversight with so much of open-hearted generosity and concern. I admit, disbelief and skepticism raise their ugly heads. In today's world, it's becoming increasingly difficult to trust genuine intentions. However, as a leader, as someone who wants to nurture an ideal family, I wanted to believe. I wanted to be convinced because therein lay reassurance and hope. The narration in third-person experience is pinpoint and convincing. The authors have researched, experimented, analyzed, and organized various tasks based on science and rationale. The sequence makes so much of sense. It is evident that they have implemented every single step and strategy that they are advocating. So the authenticity and efficacy is indubitable. To reinforce the underlying concepts and ideas, they have even suggested some intelligent movie recommendations, which makes the message even more clearer. Some of these strategies sound disarmingly direct and simple and can delude the reader into a smug sense of complacence that he or she already knows about them and has been practicing them too. But I think one has to rouse oneself out of this delusionary complacence and actually set oneself to apply the technique in in the prescribed manner, following the discipline in complete earnest. The different stories and anecdotes substantiate the efficacy of the Crawford strategy. The first-hand experiences and real-time scenarios have covered almost all aspects and possible pitfalls. As I delved further into the book, I felt very pumped up with motivation and enthusiasm. I wished that I had known these insights when my children were younger. There were so many things that I could have approached differently. It is imperative that parents and educators read this book. Interestingly, this book is not necessarily addressed to the current generation or the generation next, but can very well be revelatory to the erstwhile generation too. I feel that this book is very powerful and can impact several families who need a nudge in the right direction. All possible doubts have been intelligently anticipated, and ways to circumvent them have been presented in a very well thought of and plausible manner. This book is a wake-up call, a clarion call to the reader. I would definitely recommend everyone to pick up this book pronto. Thank you, Shiva and Savitri, for this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Nirmala. And that was a very good summary and the call to every individual to read the book. Now, having had that call from the person who read the book, I take pleasure in inviting Shiv and Savi to launch the book. Over to Shiv and Savi, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I'll just play one short video of the book launch, an official launch, and then thank you, dear friends.
He looks nervous.
One second, I'm sorry. I am nervous, I guess. So thank you, friends.
That was done by Sagarika. Thank you.
Thank you so much. First of all,
that was a beautiful demonstration. And now it's time for the authors to speak. Over to Shiv and Savitri again.
Thank you, Onita ma'am. And thanks to each and every one of you who's present here. I would like to call each and every one of you by your name. And thank you from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of our heart, for being here, for supporting us, for encouraging us, always having a positive word for us, and being so kind to us. Thank you. I thank God. I thank my family, parents, my wonderful friends who are here, and thanks to all the special guests. Each and every one of you is special. The speakers who are here, who agreed to come, thank you. Thank you, Nina ma'am, CK sir, Father Lawrence, Jyotsna, and all of you, each and every one of you. Thank you. So we just very quickly, we would like to share why this book, in few words, how we got this idea and what's next. Where do we want to go next? Yes.
Yeah, good morning, friends, and good afternoon. Really overwhelmed with all your presence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being there. We are a very ordinary couple, you can make out. And usually they say a successful man is a person okay, who tells his wife, shop till you drop. But fortunately, I have a wife who never goes and shops. So we have a minimalistic life. I think men would appreciate that, right? Now, to start with, if we had said that we had written a book and shown it to our friends in Nagpur and Mumbai, they would have a big laugh. Because, yeah, because when we were in Nagpur Patrakas Nivas and we were in Andheri, Mumbai, the whole flat knew what kind of fights we had. It all went public. Yesterday, somebody was saying Shivkumar is a very meek person and Savitri is a very soft person. But we started learning. We went through various books, manuals, seminars. We constantly kept on learning, and that is the reason why we have been sticking together for 26 years. We have put that in the book. And then I had a near death experience where I should have gone upstairs, but her tali was so strong that she kept me with all those prayers to Mariamman and the dances she did. It took me 2 years to get back to walking. So all these experiences put the bonding closer together. When we came to Trichy, we didn't have money for the next meal. Our finances was zero. And we openly want to tell you that. We never knew what will happen, but one thing we knew, great things are going to come out. We believed in each other, we trusted each other. And then parenting. Day before yesterday, my daughter, she interacted with Dalai Lama, and a lot of people made comments and said she's a child prodigy. We know what kind of prodigy she is. It took me 2 years to make her understand the difference between velocity and acceleration, to make her understand mole concept and Avogadro's law. Sorry, I don't want to disturb you with those concepts. But then we started understanding what is the strength. And then we started working on a strength, and that's how everything came out. And that is what we are trying to address people. But unfortunately, the story has not got through because they believe it's a Sagarika success. It's a teamwork. So we wanted to address some of the pain points which are there in the society. And then health. Savitri, 4 years back, she found that she had hyper cholesterol and hypercholesterol lipidemia. That is, lipids were very high. And my HbA1c was 12.7. And that is when we decided to work on health. So when we work on it, we study. We take 100 books, we read it, we go to seminars, we understand, we talk to each other, and then we decide what kind of direction we should take. And today she is a marathon runner. She has won marathons, she has won championships. I run behind her and somehow complete the marathons. So we do that. So we wanted to share those points with the family because family is a gift. It is something wonderful. And my HbA1c today is 5.2. What have we done? Just an ordinary couple who just didn't know what to do with life, because both of us, we actually come from dysfunctional families. What do we do? And we had a lot of trauma also. Last year, a mother died because of cancer, terminal cancer. My father had COPD, died a few years back. So we have gone through almost everything. But one support system we got was Trichy. Thousands of children, parents, we interacted, and as we started healing them, we started talking to them, we started counseling them. By doing that, they supported us, and somehow their blessings is what has been helping us for all these years. So we just put it down in this book, and this whole book is just not a story. It's actually about a young family, a family which is going through all travails and tribulations, but just not a story, because there are 10 points, 10 aspects. Every aspect a mentor comes. Though it looks like a fiction, we had those 10 mentors in our life who walked us the path. And we also given a system over here, okay, because we firmly believe that after every chapter we have created a system over here, because we firmly believe that if a family is ready to give 10 weeks, the transformation will take place. So we just put that across, and thank you very much for being with us on this afternoon. I can only say we are humbled. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So like Shiv said, The charts are there. We have also provided the charts in our website. They are available in the downloadable form. So you can download the charts. You can start taking up the 10-week challenge as a family. You can stick it up on the wall and you can put the ticks and go on with the challenge. And also this book, we wanted to reach more and more families, not only in Trichy, Tamil Nadu, all over India, worldwide. We want to carry this message to each and every family to become from a good family to become a great family. That is what we want to work for from now. That is what we aim for.
So we
Have your support. We know we have
we
your support.
decided, okay, we have been running the institute for 22 years. Our team will look after our institute. We want to go from village to village, town to town, talk to people and see what best we can do with our lives. That's going to be our mission. And thank you for all the support. Thank you very much.
Thank you once
Thank
again.
you.
Thank you for being.
So thank you very much to the authors. I would say the book is not an escape from life, but a shortcut to a better one. On this note, we have an array of speakers. And the first speaker I'm privileged to introduce is DTM, the shortened version for Distinguished Toastmaster Nina John. Now, welcome, Nina ma'am. My heart leaps with joy to introduce you to the audience. Nina is a communication coach and an author. The author of Navigating Corporate Seas, available on Kindle and Amazon. She's a sought after premier corporate trainer, trains CXOs and TEDx speakers, a dedicated Toastmaster with the unique speciality of having achieved the DTM as a triple feature and is now working forward to repeating it. The past DG of District 82, a renowned chief judge with a tinge of empathy, currently heads the mentor pool, a charter member of the Professional Speakers Association of India, and a wonderful, warm person who believes the family is the stepping stone to all successes. I now hand over the virtual screen to Nina John with a big round of welcoming applause. Nina ma'am, please.
Thank you very much, Madam Ovanita, for that wonderful biographical description. A very warm welcome to Shivakumar, Savi, and Sagarika. Congratulations on this great achievement. And a very warm welcome to all those present here to watch the launch of this book. Family first. It's an axiom that we tend to forget so easily. We are all running in the rat race, trying to achieve success, trying to achieve whatever we can in the world's competition in terms of prizes, salaries, status, whatever it is. And very often, the family is what we step on first. We need to understand, as Leo Tolstoy said, all happy families are alike, but each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way. Especially in this time of lockdown. Family relationships are strained. Many of us, in fact, all of us, are now stuck together, huddled together in the cage that we call our home. And to quote another famous expert, Oprah Winfrey. She said, being rich doesn't change your normal character. It just makes you more of what you already are. In this time of lockdown, the happy families are happier. The unhappy families are far, far worse. What is it that keeps families together? The first, of course, is communication. We tend to think of communication as sitting, just talking to each other. But as many of us have realized, when we look back on our childhoods, what is it that we remember? The happy times around the dinner table, the sudden treats that we had when we went out for a movie and got an ice cream and a popcorn, or we went for a picnic and we enjoyed something that we had not done earlier. We think of those in terms of food, the special food your mother brought, made for you, some treat that you had, or that when your dad gave you something, went out on a tour and brought back something different from another city that you'd never seen before. We think we are talking, but as we grow older, many of us as families grow apart. And technology is both the villain and, I would say, the saint also. In olden times, there was a radio in the village. Everyone gathered around the radio to listen. Transistor said everyone could listen to their own music at their own time. We've come to that stage now where every one of us, once clustered around the family TV, now each of us has our own mobiles, and we tend to look at just that, not even who else is there at the dining table. We tend to eat by ourselves, sit in our own rooms, do whatever we can. But without that basic communication, we cannot succeed. We need to understand, how can we get together? Relationships are built on trust, they're built on communication, they're built on time spent together. Use technology and harness it. For example, now we have a family group that meets on first Saturday of every month. All the cousins, siblings from across the world. This is a chance for our grandkids to see each other, which they would never have seen if we depended only on family physical holidays. So harness technology to bring families together. Use it as a means of expressing yourself, of expressing your love, of expressing connection. Always remember, family first, because the family is the fulcrum of society, and it is the family on which society is balanced. The breakup of family, the breakup of society leads to the breakup of countries and even continents. So come together, be together, and follow those of you who feel you have, every one of us feels, I have a dysfunctional family. Everyone in my family is at fault. Let's try and get together. Those of you who really need it, go through that book. I would recommend the exercises. Really take it up as a family challenge, far healthier than swallowing Tide Pods or pouring icy water on each other. Use this as a challenge to bring your family together, and exactly as Savi said, move your family from good to great. Back to you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Madam
Nina, ma'am. And dear viewers, I told you there would be something magical from Nina. Thank you, ma'am. Now, it's time for me to invite the next speaker. With great appreciation and respect, I'm honored to introduce Reverend Father Lawrence. Reverend Father Lawrence, he is the Dean of Anugraha Counseling Institute. Prior to this, he had his education in India, Canada, and Italy. He is the head of the Department of Psychology at Anugraha Institute of Social Sciences, affiliated to the Madurai Kamaraj University. He was the Dean of the Capuchin Theological College of Tamil Nadu from the year 2005 to 10, and from 2005 today till today, he is a practicing counselor and physiotherapist. He has been a visiting professor and a guest lecturer at various universities in India since 2005, has a long list of publications on related topics ranging from perspectives in education, happy teacher, happy student, to altruism and personal happiness. Author of textbooks for the distance education program of MK University. And this is what he told me personally. Ma'am, I help families. Summed up beautifully, I help families. And the simplicity of the words for a profound objective, the family. It's over to Reverend Father Lawrence now. Father Lawrence, please. The
Thank you
screen
very
is
much,
yours.
ma'am, for the kind words, and congratulations, Shiva and Savitri. May I be allowed to present a slide? Is it okay if you could give me permission?
Definitely, Father. Please proceed.
Yes, Father. I'll put the multiple sharing, screen sharing.
Okay.
Yes, Father. Please go on. Please go on.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it's an honor to be here amidst notable personalities and family first. I just start with a simple picture, which is very captivating. And if you stop for a moment and think about your joys, it is about your loved ones, your family. If you also stop to think about your difficulties, your pains, your worries, it is also about the relationship and your family. Because we are born in a family, we live in a family, we die in a family. All of us who sit here, we are not here without family. No matter who you are, what you are, which age you are, what status you are, what power you have, you are from a family, you are in a family, you die in a family. In that way, we are from a family, we are also of family. I used to always wonder why I was born in Tamil Nadu. I would have been born in Germany. I would have been very fair. But it is said God cannot be everywhere, so he gave a dad and mom. The family is the first gift that God, the divine spirit, gives to us. In that regard, we are of the family and we are from a family. I am like this just because my dad and mom are like this. I can change a bit, but I cannot change the family. So in that regard, when you are born into a family, we are like a newspaper, white. Whatever print we are put on, we become that. If I was born in Tamil Nadu, I speak Tamil. If I was born in West Bengal, I would be speaking Bengali. We are like also not just a paper, we are like also a sponge. A sponge, whatever we put, it acquires. If it is put in the water, it acquires water. If it is put in milk, it acquires milk. If it is put in gutter water, it acquires gutter water. You know what is family. In that regard, I would really congratulate Shiva and Savi to bring this caption, family is first, because we are of a family, we are from a family, we live in a family, we work in a family, we die in a family. But the paradox of life, if I want to become a doctor, +2, then I study some 8 years, 20 years. If I want to become an engineer, I study +2, +6 years. If I want to become a teacher, I study +2, +4, 5 years. Unfortunately, to become a husband and wife, we never study. Unfortunately. And sometimes we ask people, can you make a course? No, I know. We just look at our dad, mom, uncle and aunt. What we think right, we continue. What we think wrong, we stop. But unfortunately, we seldom study about this. It's a paradox. It's a pity of life. We work for the family. We do everything for the sake of the family. But to make a profession, we study so much. But the profession is for the family, but we do not study much. In that regard, congratulations to Shiva and Savitri to bring this caption, family is first. We need to study. We need to pay attention to. Third, in recent times, a lot of research is proving that if there is a dysfunctional family, it is not just affecting one individual or two individuals, a man and a woman, but it is affecting a generation. Children, it is found, research shows that if they perceive that parents have got conflict, it's not that they are seeing, it's not that they are witnessing. If they perceive that dad and mom are not keeping well, their energy decreases. Toddlers are manifesting lower energy when there is a family perceived conflict. You know, often when I am from a counseling institute, Anugraha in Dindukal. Children, when they are brought for counseling, when teenagers are brought for counseling, we know the problem is not solely with the children. The problem is not solely with the teenager. It is with the family. Always our child counseling and the teenager counseling will end up as family counseling, because a dysfunctional family is an impact on one generation. That generation becomes second generation. Not only for the children and teenagers, the biggest stress for an adult is that of the family. If I'm stressed out in the company, I can come away after 8 hours. But if I'm stressed out with my wife, with my husband, with whom I have to eat, with whom I have to work, with whom I have to sleep, you know, that's a worst stress one can have. In that regard, it is said family in trouble is the breeding ground of all troubles of life. In that regard, it is very important to understand that we did a research in 11 countries. We did a research on 11 countries asking people, what is the domain you find happiness? Entertainment, work, religion, family. To our surprise, both in the Western and the Eastern countries, individualistic and collectivistic country, all the countries said family is the topmost domain where they find happiness. In that regard, it is said, no pain, no gain, no family, no happiness. No pain, no gain, no family, no happiness. Congratulations, Shiva and Savitri, for making that family is first. So in that regard, family is first in many count, because we are from a family, we are of a family. Family is first. We seldom learn about it. Therefore, family is first. Happy family is the foundation of happy life. Therefore, family is first. As we are speaking and this book release, family is first, I also want to draw your attention to one more factor. Family is first, but you know, family today is in flux. We must understand that the changing nature of the world today, it is said, even if husband and wife are together, it is called extended family, it seems. If husband and wife are together, it is called extended family. Because in the modern world, the changing situation, family is in flux. Therefore, family is first. So it's a very beautiful effort, Shiva and Savitri, that you have started Project Family First. I congratulate you on this book fair and this book release. I'm sure that you will reach millions of people where you will say family is first, because a happy family is an important for a happy society. So just you can reach us in case you need, because we are also supporting like Shiva and Savitri, helping people in Anugraha Counseling Institute or college. You can reach me in this contact. Once again, Shiva and Savitri, thank you for this opportunity. I feel really proud of you, and Anugraha will be always standing by you to support in any way possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Father Lawrence. Wonderful words and wonderful wishes. And now we move on to the third speaker, who is Mrs. Jyotsna Ramachandran. A few words of...
Ma'am.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I just wanted to add about Anugraha College in Dindukal. They are doing some wonderful programs in a very big way in counseling, family counseling. They conduct many programs, courses, and it's really useful and beneficial. and we have also been a part of a few programs, and
Very economical.
it's very economical. They provide stay also, and it is a wonderful experience. I just wanted to add that. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Savi ma'am. That was good information. And let me introduce the third speaker, Mrs. Jyotsna Ramachandran. She is the founder of Happy Self Publishing. She runs the Author Success Academy. She's been a TEDx speaker on 2 occasions. She conducts weekly live masterclass and launchathon sessions, has a high success rate for would-be authors, and I'm certain you are excited to meet the person on screen. Over to Mrs. Jyotsna.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that excellent introduction. Today, I'm not here to give any speech. I'm just here as a cheerleader for Shiv and Savi, because I've been following their work for years now in so many different occasions and platforms. I've had the good fortune to interact with them. And every time I see that this family, which includes their daughter as well. So these guys, they literally walk the talk. So in whatever project they do, I see the whole family involved. And the first time when I heard that their daughter wrote a book by unschooling herself for a year, that was so inspiring. And ever since I got to know about their daughter's book, I've been closely watching whatever these guys are doing, whether it's taking care of their health or all these different initiatives they've been doing. And when they told me that they are now ready with their book, I was super excited. And I just came to just say that I'm super happy that the book is getting launched, and I can't wait to see it become a bestseller. And one thing that every author should learn from you both is that everything that you do is with so much integrity, Shiv and Savi. And a lot of times people want to become authors because they want to become famous, or they want to grow their list of clients and get more leads for their business, which is not wrong, but that becomes their purpose for writing the book. But you guys, with family first, whatever is your core belief, your core values, which you are actually living by, that is what you are sharing with the world, because it has served you, and now you see that there is a gap in this world, and you're authentically serving people by writing the book. So by keeping the reader's challenges in mind while writing the book, I think that truly makes you guys stand out. And thank you. And I think that is one message that I want to take from you and share it with my Author Success Academy community people. And thank you so much for joining the academy. And ever since you guys joined, it's been such an inspiration we have around 500 authors now. Everybody is in different stages of book writing. But last week, I brought Shiv and Savi into our mastermind call, and they shared their whole book writing process and journey. And you didn't hold back anything. You were just so open about sharing whatever worked for you. And that was so inspiring. Today I'm sorry I was late, because I finished one call with the community. They were all, it's called the Book Launchathon, where everyone's writing their books. And after seeing hearing your story out, I think some 10 people have done their covers, and they're all launching it this week. So this is another thing that I would love to share with all you people here. I know we have trainers, speakers, entrepreneurs, all of you here. One tip out that I would like to leave you all with, I'm sure all of you have a book, at least one book inside of you, right? Based on your life experience, based on whatever you have done, whatever you have achieved, based on the pain points that you've had in your life, which you now want to help others overcome, or based on the experience that you've had in your profession. You of course want to help others, but putting it in the form of a book makes it reach a lot more people whom you would have otherwise never imagined of reaching out. Yes, coaches help people one-on-one. Speakers talk to the people from the stage and they inspire the audience, which is all great. But as an author, when you write a book, you have no idea how many thousands and millions of lives it's going to touch even after you are gone. So I think a book is like a legacy that you all can leave behind. So definitely, if it's a small, if it's a small seed in your mind that you should at some point of time write a book, then please draw some inspiration from Shiv, Savi, and their wonderful daughter, and just go ahead and become authors. And if you're a little apprehensive about whether you will make it or not, here is what I would tell you guys. first decide your book's topic. Okay, choose your title and subtitle, get your cover designed, and announce it on social media, right? So by doing that, the whole world will hold you accountable, and you have no other choice but to just go and finish that book. And what better time than now? A lot of people are going through a lot of difficult times during the lockdown, but this year has been the year where I've had the maximum number of inquiries coming in from authors, because people have realized they kind of have started doing the self analysis about what are the things we need to accomplish. And for most people, writing a book has been on their bucket list, right, for many, many years. And while you're at home, while you still have that extra time, please go for it. And, I would love to attend more and more book launch parties like these. You guys are like setting great standards, Shiv and Savi, for everybody to just follow. And I'm super happy and honored to be on this platform to share, whatever I've learned from you with everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Jyotsna. You've taken the first step in telling us how to turn the invisible into the visible. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we have the final speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, you are in for something fabulous. I'm privileged to introduce the next dignitary, a sought-after professional speaker on leadership, managing change, and personal discovery. A high-profile keynote speaker and seminar leader, Mr. Chandal Kumar is an inveterate traveler, photographer, blogger, Toastmaster, genial personality. From a civil engineer by education, he is today a TEDx speaker 5 times over and counting. And I know you are waiting for Mr. Chandal Kumar. Over to you, sir, please.
Thank
the
you.
screen is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Anita. And
Thank you, sir.
a very pleasant afternoon to all the dignitaries present here. And heartfelt congrats to Savitri and Shiva, not Shiva and Savitri. I'm the first guy to break the gender, limit. Now, Savitri and Shiva were very categorical when they called me and said, CK, we just have 3 to 5 minutes. So please see that you don't exceed the limit. And when I asked them what will happen if I exceed, they said, we'll mute you. You will only have video and you will start blabbering, and you may provide a comic relief, but you may not provide any message. I'm slightly worried about them because they are doers. They just don't speak, they also do. So I will only say, having read the manuscript, the first thing that came to my mind was authenticity, genuineness in whatever they write and speak. Let's say your son or a daughter says, I want to give up, I want to quit studying. Just leave me alone for 1 month. How many of us will have the guts to agree? We may preach others, like it happens in our country. Don't study Hindi, but my son, daughter will go to a Hindi medium school. I'm getting into a different territory, but please forgive me. Hypocrisy. I found that this couple does not bullshit. Everything that they do is backed by their own experience. So that's why I think we tend to believe what they do. And that's why I have this admiration for this couple. I've also been with them in some blogging platforms, and every writing is not a copy paste, but come out of their own experience. So having tremendously been impressed by the work that you do, Savitri, Shiva, and Sagarika, I wish you all the best and wish you many more milestones. And I had the fortune to listen to many of your students of Trichy Plus Academy, where they come and speak in glowing terms about the impact that you had on others. I think that is very, very important. Anybody can write a book. You can get onto the bestseller list. But the most important thing is, how have you affected your reader or your audience? And I think you're doing a fabulous job. May God bless you and wish you all the best in all your efforts. Thank you.
I guess you still have few minutes. Yeah, ma'am, you're not audible, ma'am.
You're not muting.
She was speechless.
Exactly. So he took me to the next world. Now I've come down to earth.
Onita
I would
ma'am,
now like to hand over the screen to Savitri.
all of them. In fact, I'm overwhelmed. All of them can be chief guests. All of them are
Yes.
great in their own way. Thank you. I'm seeing who is who in this gathering. So all of you are phenomenal people. Each and every one is a story to tell. Oh my God, I see Father Lawrence here, Nirmala
Yes,
here,
bless.
I see Snehalata. Yeah, Arjuna here, my old friend is there. Ram Prasad sir is there. Lokesh, the phenomenal, Rakesh Menon, Muthu, Devanshu, my great old friend, magician, Mahesh is there. Srinika, such, oh my God, Vinay, Veera sir, Ramesh Rao,
Authors.
yeah, Damodaran, the great man is there. Pasupati sir, wow. Thank you, thank you. Vrinda, each one is a story. Sashi Kumar, Anand. Oh my God, I'll get tired telling this. Bhaktar, thank you, thank you. Singaraj sir, my
Suresh.
teacher. Mr. Ramesh. Angelica is there. Dinesh Balaji.
Ratnavel
Yeah,
Rajan
Sangeeta,
sir.
Srijata, Ratnavel Raja. All of you. I shouldn't be missing any. My old
PC.
friend Gangacharan is there. PC Bala sir is there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think, okay, we should have a chief guest association shortly. Each one can talk. Some of you, if you can share some kind feedback. Yeah.
Okay, before that, I would like to call somebody very special here because he was the one who put the seed in our mind. He is here with us and a very, very good friend of ours. Has always been very supportive and he has helped and guided Sagarika in a very big way. And he is the one who said, "Why don't you write a book?
Your daughter writes a book. Can't you write a
Can't
book?
you write a book?" So-
Shame on you guys. You can't write a book.
No, no.
No, that is not what he said. He said you write a book, and then he thought we write a book. Okay. And then we were going to Bangalore by train, and then she came up with some idea, and then that's how it germinated.
And the big coincidence was yesterday we wanted to release the book because it was an auspicious day. And yesterday was the birthday of this person who mooted that idea. So it is really amazing. And he is here with us. I just want Mr. C.K. Kumaravel to say a few words. And then we will open the floor for all our friends to share. Kumaravel,
Thank
sir.
you. And yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Savitri, and thank you, Shiva. Congratulations to you, both of you, for that wonderful effort of putting together the family first. There is nothing in a caterpillar which even scientifically suggests one day it is going to become a butterfly. But every caterpillar do become a butterfly. Whereas when it comes to human potential, all of us are blessed with the same potential. However, only 5% of the people realize the potential and 95% of the people watch the potential. And that's what is the key difference between the winners and the losers. And here is a family which has put together some extraordinary effort. First, I have been a big fan of Sagarika. And from then on, this thing started from the unschooled year when you called me for the opening. I was very fascinated by the young girl writing a story, taking a break. What kind of guts this father and mother, are they mad people? That was my first reaction. Then when I met you, there is a method in the madness, and that's how the life started. And you should have given CK more. I am a big fan of Chandil Kumar. He's been absolutely phenomenal person. You should not give him time when he comes and speaks. It's such a pleasure and a honor listening to you, CK. I've been a great fan. And thank you to Nina, thank you to the professor. And also, I was very impressed the way in which Josna has put together. And in this pandemic, she's coming out so nicely. I want to leave a couple of thoughts. People think that marriage is, especially in an Indian condition, marriage is 1 + 1 = 2. One person has to take the effort and lead the show, and the other person has to do supportive role. And mostly the supportive role is done by the women, and that's how the Indian society is conditioned. They have been told the women that you have to play a secondary role. You cannot take a primary role. I think people like Savitri have taken the lead. People like Sagarika has taken the lead and shown to the world that it is women who can make a huge difference, and the men and the other people will follow. And that is the first thing I wanted to leave. It is, marriage is not a 1 + 1 = it is not a compromise. It is each one complementing each other so that the best of the both can really come out to the world. I think that's what is marriage all about. Marriage is not about marriage is not about the one person compromising and the other person not coming out. That is the first one. Second one, regarding the book, I want to say something. The book is written in a very simple but a powerful way. The simple is not easy, and that's what is this book about. And இதுல வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த திருவிளையாடல வந்து சிவனும் பார்வதியும் வந்து ஞான பழத்தை வச்சுக்கிட்டு அவங்க வந்து யாரு வந்து உலகத்தை சுத்தி வராங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. முருகர் வந்து மயிலை எடுத்துக்கிட்டு பெட்ரோல் போட்டுக்கிட்டு உலகத்தை ஃபுல்லா சுத்தி வருவாரு. பிள்ளையார் வந்து அப்பா அம்மாவை சுத்தி வந்துட்டு அவர் வந்து இதை வாங்கிக்குவார், அவர் ஞான பழத்தை. It is called the ability to simplify complex problem. Simple is not easy. Simple is simple. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளெக்ஸா ரொம்ப வந்து பரபரப்பா புக் எழுதலாம். ஆனா அது முக்கியம் கிடையாது. மக்களுக்கு வந்து புரியுற மாதிரி in a very user friendly way அந்த கடைசியா அந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் அந்த ரைட்டிங் மெசேஜஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கிறது ரொம்ப நல்ல விஷயம். அதுக்காக வந்து அந்த புக்குக்கும் அந்த 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 மெத்தடு நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கிறதுக்கு நான் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். Last point I want to leave with you is learn to work hard on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on yourself, you will make a fortune. If you work hard on your job, you will make a living. அந்த யாராரு வந்து அந்த லேர்ன் டு ஒர்க் ஹார்ட் ஆன் தி செல்ஃப் பண்றாங்களோ அவங்க எல்லாம் வந்து ஃபார்ச்சூன் பண்ணுவாங்க. யாரெல்லாம் ஜாப்ல ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றாங்களோ அவங்க எல்லாம் லிவிங் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து நிறைய பணம் சம்பாதிக்கிறது முக்கியம் கிடையாது, நிறைய புகழ் சம்பாதிக்கிறது முக்கியம் கிடையாது. ஆர் வி பிகமிங் எ பெட்டர் பர்சன் அப்படின்றது தான் முக்கியம். அதுல சிவாவும் சாவித்திரியும் சாகரிகாவும் ஆர் அ லிவிங் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆஃப் அ பவர்ஃபுல் ஃபேமிலி, ஹவு தே கேன் இம்பாக்ட் தி வேர்ல்டு பாசிட்டிவ்லி. I am realistic. I believe in miracles. I think உங்களுடைய wish, எங்களுடைய wish of all creating a beautiful world together will come to pass. Thank you so much and best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words of encouragement always. And another special person here I would like to mention is when we called him, he is a well-known author and he released his book and we asked him, this is a COVID situation, so shall we go ahead? And he said, don't wait for this COVID to get over, you just release your book, that's it. So the person is none other than Mr. P.C. Bala. Sir, are you there? P.C. Bala, sir?
I'm very much there, Savi.
Thank you. I would like to hear your voice.
You want to hear only my voice or see my face also? You can. Okay. First of all, hearty congratulations. See, fantastic book. I already read the manuscript. In fact, very rarely I finish a book in a single sitting. And I'm a very slow reader. But this book was very captivating, I should say. So it's a book meant for every family, and I'm a fan of books where there is something for every member of the family. So that way it is a very relevant, useful, and a book which need not have a limited shelf life. This can be read for years together. So that way it is excellent. And thanks for mentioning that, you know, that I recommended or suggested that you could release a book irrespective of lockdown. I'm very brutally frank about it, because Jyotsna is also must be listening to this, perhaps. See, the worrying factor is book reading is coming down in gender. Nothing wrong. We have other distractions in life. You know, years back we had only books to gain knowledge and also entertain ourselves. But today we have the same knowledge as well as entertainment in several forms. You know, your YouTube is there, Google is there, Facebook, Instagram, OTT. So many things are distracting you. So it takes a lot of pains to get, you know, one reader to come and pick up your book and read. So that cannot be the reason for somebody to decide to write a book or not write a book. You know, end of the day, like leaving some footprint before we depart, we have to leave certain thought prints also before we depart this world. So to the extent, as somebody mentioned earlier, I think Jyotsna mentioned that everyone has something to tell. personal story, a story from the business, profession, etc. So I suggest many of you can really don't worry about the numbers. Don't worry about the numbers because don't sell much. Let me tell you, books don't sell much. So don't worry about the numbers. And this specific book, why I loved even more is, a fiction should have some non-fictional aspects. It is interesting. A fiction, if it is pure play fiction, it is just watching a movie in print form or watching a web series in print form. But there has to be some non-fictional aspect that are sprinkled along a fictional story. Similarly, in a non-fiction book, there should be some fictional aspects also. So Savi and Shiva beautifully merged these two, and hence it is very entertaining and as well as enriching to read. And many people mentioned that, at least some of the people who already downloaded and read a portion or the entire book or the manuscript even earlier, that this book is meant for the family. You have to discuss with your family members as you read. That will be fantastic. And thanks for pulling me into this. And normally such book launches, apart from congratulating the writers for their effort, Mr. Kumar will clearly mention it calls for a huge effort. It calls for a huge effort. I know I've gone through this. I may go through it also. And the other fantastic aspect is when you launch like this, it is coming together of several friends. Today I see a lot of known faces, several accomplished professionals, business people, good friends. You may not even be accomplished, doesn't matter at all. And some good speakers, some good writers. Thanks for the opportunity. All the very best. Certainly I'll be one of the ambassadors of this lovely book. That is an assurance from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Friends, now the screen is open. I cannot say floor is open. You can share your views. Very happy to hear.
Yeah, congratulations,
Hello, Ram.
Shiva. Ram Prasad here. Congratulations, Shiva, Savitri, and Sagarika for this wonderful effort. Like you said, family is modern. I'm an engineer. My wife is a commerce graduate. My daughter was from Vidya Mandir. When she joined her 10th, she joined in science group first. And after 1 week, she came home crying and said, it doesn't work for me. I want to shift to commerce. So we said, okay, go ahead. She shifted to commerce. Then when she finished her school, she wanted to join either Stella Maris or MOP Vaishnava. So she had to choose between the two. So she chose MOP Vaishnava and did her visual communication. And in the first year, she took to photography. And second year, she was a stage artist. She took a liking to theater. Now she is a budding actress. She has already completed one movie called Ade, and then she is going to come in many movies. So her aspiration is acting in movies. And I come from a very conservative, Iyengar family from South. But, I encourage my daughter. So family is very, very important. The support to encourage. I go with Shiva's and Savitri's views on this. And not only that, father mentioned that, there is no training for husband or wife. Doctors, the doctors, chartered accountants, or any kind of, this thing is a profession. Whereas family is an emotion. It's actually an emotion. It cannot be taught. It has to be felt. And that's why we share our joys and sorrows with the family. And thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm happy to be part of this book launch. I've already downloaded your book. I'll be reading it through today. And both of you, Shiva, you called me. You not only spoke to me, but Savi also spoke to me that evening. And that's the reason why I'm here. And I appreciate your values. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Sir, it will become a passion. I think the rest of the life we want to work on it, and we will do one thing. Each and every one of you, we are going to call within a week's time. And you have to give us a feedback on the book. What you like, homework for all of you. What you liked, what you didn't like, and what you recommend, so that we can learn from you before we start our yatra. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ram Prasad. Yeah, this is Lokesh here. I just went through the book. I just bought it, and what a nice way of, starting the book. It says how to read the book. We all buy a book, but we don't know how to read the book. So it's a very nice way of starting. And I also, admire the way Shiv and Savi are actually practicing what they preach. Mahatma Gandhi said, "My life is my message." Same way I see that Shiv and Savi, they are the message of this book. In the book, they have mentioned about vital signs. The world is running towards virality, and I see that they are running towards vitality, which is very much essential for every family. So my heartiest congratulations and wishes to both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Lokesh. Thank you, Lokesh. Thank you so much.
Shiva and Savitri.
Yes, sir.
When Nirmala spoke, I thought I should be speaking. That's why I came in. So I had, before I read the book, I have one comment to make. Having heard so much about the book, I think we should go into translating this into Tamil also, because I work with a lot of families, distressed families in my company. So I see them if they can understand, if they can be brought into this fold where they can correct themselves, their families brought together, it would be a great service that we could do. So I think this book should go into Tamil also. Do you have any plans?
Sir, Mr. Veera has already translated more than
working
half the
on
book.
Oh, fantastic.
He's doing a phenomenal job of translation, and I find the Tamil translation better than English.
I'm hoping to buy quite a few books, numbers from my employees.
Thank you. Thanks.
Whoever can read.
Veera sir is working on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
A couple of more languages also. Already we planned for Hindi and maybe one or two.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I have a small minute, if you don't mind?
No, sir. Veera sir.
We mind very much.
Veera sir.
அன்புகளுமிய சோதரர்கள் சோதரிகள், திரு சசி எனது ஆர்வீர் நண்பர் அவர்கள் உடனே கூறினார் தமிழில் வேண்டும் என்று. ஆனால் இந்த பெரிய பேற்றினை நான் பெற்றிருக்கிறேன், தமிழாக்கம் செய்கின்ற இந்த பேற்றினை. ஐயா இங்கே பேசிய அனைவரும் 4 கீனோட் அட்ரஸர்ஸ், ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் இந்த புத்தகத்தினுடைய உட்கூறுகளை மிக நேர்த்தியாக கூறிவிட்டார்கள். எங்கு நாம் வாழ்கிறோம் என்பதை தொடங்கினார்கள். குடும்பத்தில் தான் வாழ்கிறோம், பிறக்கிறோம், வாழ்கிறோம், மறைகிறோம். ஆனால் அதற்கு நாம் தனியாக எதுவும் படிப்பதில்லை என்பதை தொடங்கி பல்வேறு கருத்துகள் இங்கே வைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. நான் ஒன்றை மட்டும் கூறி உங்களோட அன்பை சுமந்து செல்ல விளைகிறேன். நாம் ஓடுகின்ற பொழுது வெற்றி பாதையை நோக்கி ஓட வேண்டும் என்பதை மட்டுமே நமது இலக்காக இருக்கும். நமது கைகளும் கால்களும் மிக ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்கும், எதுவுமே சுமந்து செல்லாமல். ஆனால் அந்த ஓட்டத்திலே இன்னொரு நுட்பமான ஓட்டம் உண்டு. சிறு வயதிலே நாம் கலந்திருப்போம். ஒரு ஸ்பூனிலே எலுமிச்சை பழத்தை சுமந்து கொண்டு செல்வோம். அப்படி சுமந்து கொண்டு செல்லுகின்றதுதான் நமது குடும்ப வாழ்க்கை. ஒரு பொறுப்போடு. வெற்றி மட்டும் நமது நோக்கல்ல, மகிழ்ச்சி. ஐயா கூறினார்கள், மகிழ்ச்சி எங்கே கிடைக்கிறது என்றால் உலகத்தில் 11 நாடுகளில் பெற்ற அந்த ஆராய்ச்சி கூறுவது என்ன? உங்கள் மகிழ்ச்சி உங்கள் கையில், உங்கள் குடும்பத்தில் இருந்து. அந்த மகிழ்ச்சியை பெறுகின்ற இந்த பெரிய பங்கிலே நாம் ஒரு எலுமிச்சம்பழத்தை கையிலே சுமந்து செல்லுகின்ற கடமை உணர்ச்சியோடு, அன்போடு, பாசத்தோடு நாம் செல்ல வேண்டும். இதில் நான் பெற்றது இறைவனுடைய அருளால் நான் இந்த சிறு பணியை பெரும் பணியாக என் தலையிலே சுமந்து செல்கின்றேன். உங்களுடைய அன்போடு இந்த புத்தகம் உலகத்தில் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் மனிதர்கள் வாழ்கிறார்களோ அவர்கள் நிச்சயமாக குடும்பத்தில் தான் வாழ்வார்கள். அந்த மனிதர்கள் வாழுகின்ற இடமெல்லாம் இந்த புத்தகம் ஏதோ ஒரு மொழியில், அவர்கள் மொழியில், கிரீக், எந்த மொழியிலாவது மனிதர்களை சென்றடைய வேண்டும் என்று எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனை உங்கள் அனைவரின் சார்பாக வேண்டி விரும்பி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி.
Thank you, Veera sir.
So now you know why we have given him the Tamil translation. Yeah.
Sagarika, can I go next? This is Magesh.
Sure.
Sir, please.
Yeah.
Magesh. Hi, Magesh. Magesh, yeah.
Yeah. So very glad to be part of this book launch. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Right. I would like to address the audience in Tamil. உணர்வுகள் மேம்பட்டால் உறவுகள் மேம்படும், உறவுகள் மேம்பட்டால் குடும்பம் மேம்படும், குடும்பம் மேம்பட்டால் நம் சமூகம் மேம்படும், சமூகம் வளர்ப்பதே நேசம் சமூகத்தின் மேம்பாடே நம் நாட்டின் மேம்பாடு, நம் நாட்டின் மேம்பாடே இந்த உலகின் மேம்பாடு. கூட்டு குடும்பமாக இருந்த நம் கலாச்சாரம் இப்பொழுது நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலி என்கின்ற சிறு குடும்பங்களாக சென்று இப்பொழுது அதிலும் தனித்துவம், நம்மளோட செல்ஃபிஷ்னஸ், அதனால இந்த ஃபேமிலி ஸ்ட்ரக்சரே வந்து சீரழிஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கு. இதை புனர் நிர்மாணம் பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க பல வருஷங்களா கப்பல் ஒர்க் ஷாப், ஃபேமிலி ஒர்க் ஷாப், லைஃப் ஒர்க் ஷாப் நிறைய சிறந்த பணி செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. உங்க பணி இன்னும் மேம்படணும். உங்களுடைய புத்தகங்கள் பல மொழிகள்ல வெளிவரணும். புத்தகங்கள் கூட உங்களுடைய ஒர்க் ஷாப், யூ ஆர் டூயிங் சர்வீஸ் டு த சொசைட்டி. சர்வீஸ் டு சொசைட்டி இஸ் சர்வீஸ் டு நேஷன். உங்களுடைய ஒர்க் ஷாப் மற்ற சிட்டிஸ்லயும் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகணும். உங்க புக்ஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, புக்ஸ் ஒரு ஸ்பார்க் தான். ஃபாதர் லாரன்ஸ் பேசினாங்க, நம்ம வந்து 6 வருஷம் ட்ரெயின் ஆகிறோம் இன்ஜினியராக, 10 வருஷம் 8 வருஷம் ஒரு நல்ல மருத்துவராக, கல்யாணம் பண்ணி நல்ல குடும்பத்தை கொண்டு போறதுக்கு அதுக்கு எதுவும் பயிற்சி நமக்கு இருக்கிறது இல்லை. முன்னாடியெல்லாம் கூட்டு குடும்பமா இருந்தோம். நம்ம அந்த கூட்டு குடும்பத்துல அந்த குடும்பத்துல கல்யாணம் ஆகி எப்படி நம்ம ஃபேமிலி அமைச்சுக்கணுங்கிற ஞானம் எல்லாம் இருந்தது. இப்ப வந்து நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலி ஆனதுனால அந்த செயினே, அந்த லிங்கே போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ கண்டினியூங் வித் த கிரேட் ஒர்க் யூ ஹவ் பீன் டூயிங் த்ரூ யுவர் ஒர்க் ஷாப்ஸ், திஸ் புக் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அன் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் ஆஃப் தட் சேம் ஒர்க். ஐ விஷ் யூ ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். Your book should be translated to all possible languages, nationally, internationally, and your workshops should extend it's not only should be limited to Trichy and Chennai, it should spread to all regions as far as possible. Good luck. I wish that your service spreads to the entire nation. Thank you.
Hello, hi. This is Sagarika. Hello, Manakam. Good afternoon, everybody. So before someone else gives the comment or review or suggestion, I would like to put some words. I mean, my parents, they didn't tell me to talk, but I just wanted to give my feedback and my love. So thank you everybody for being here. I know how much this means to my parents, because they've been calling everybody for the past 2 weeks, and that was their only work, and they've been focused on this book, because I know how much this means to them, and how much they want to spread to the family in India, around the world, that being a guinea pig, the experiment has turned out to be a successful one, and yeah, and I know how much how they want to they want to spread this experiment, they want to spread this medicine, the antidote to family, to the whole world. And thank you so much for being here, and I think this is the best moment of our life. Thank you everybody again. And also the book has turned out to be really good. Actually, I read it recently, and I didn't expect it to be so good that they have added so many anecdotes and so many activities. Now I thought, okay, it's just another book, just a fun book. I thought, but actually, it's come out really good with their vocabulary, the stories they say. Usually, my dad is very good at telling stories, and my mom is very good at doing caring stories. She's good at everything too. So anyways, it has come out really well, and I hope everybody reads it, and your feedback will be very good for us, and we'll work on that feedback, and we will spread to we'll go around the world and spread it to all the families. Thank you so much again.
Okay, that was wonderful, Sagarika. Was it a formal word of thanks?
Informal word of thanks because they didn't want me to talk, but it's okay.
Can I speak something?
Sure.
Hello, Snellata Borkar. Can I speak?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Yes.
Welcome.
Myself, Snellata Borkar from Pune. I'm really very honored to be a part of this launch team of Shiv and Savi, and it is my proud privilege to be a part of Jyotsna Ramchandran's ASA Academy, and thus being a colleague of Shiv and Savi. When I joined Jyotsna Ramchandran in the last week of May, I had my inner voice, my true self, my soul connecting with JR. And challenges are something which I always opted for right from my schooling in order to get create a way to create creativity. And since my marriage, resilience and extrication is my tagline. In our Tuesday mastermind call, when GR, she said about Shiv and Savi, I was so excited about them. And when I resonated with Savi, I just loved the way she was talking. I just loved their book content, whatever they told about just in 2 or 3 minutes, whatever this thing, I connected with them, I resonated with them, and I just felt that I should be a part of their launch team. And that day itself, I was writing to them that I will be there for your launch team. And Shiv and Savi have done a great job, and by writing this such a wonderful book, and which is going to be contributed to the society, so such a big and higher aim that is. So obviously this book is going to get an unprecedented success. I wish you all. Thank you. I wish you all good luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Neil.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, do you have some time to speak, Savi?
I'm not able to.
Am I audible?
Hi, Tarang.
Yes.
Tarangini here, Tarangini and Muthu. Yeah, good evening and hearty congratulations for the successful launch of this wonderful book. And I think this is the need of the hour, because life has become so hectic these days that the time we spent for the family and the care that is given to the family is becoming little less and less due to the hectic schedules. So we need to balance, both. So I think this is the book is the need of the hour, and we are yet to read the book, and we will definitely read it and give our feedbacks. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
We will call you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Muthu.
You are a great family. We will call you for feedback. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, thank you.
The book will be
Their daughter
purchased
is
right
also an
today
author.
itself. The book will be purchased today itself by everybody.
Yeah, their daughter.
Their daughter is also an author, Manasa.
Oh,
She's also written a book.
great.
Yeah.
Any last words? Suresh, Super Suresh.
Super Suresh, send your energy. Awesome energy.
எல்லாரும் பேசி முடிக்கிறதுக்காக காத்துட்டு இருந்தேன். தங்கச்சி சொன்னாங்க 2 வாரமா அப்பா அம்மா ஃபோன் பண்ணி எல்லாரையும் கூப்பிட்டுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. see அதுக்காக தான் இன்னைக்கு இங்க இருக்கிறோம் எல்லாரும் எல்லா வேலையும் விட்டுட்டு. See, it's all because of the love and abundance energy what you show. That is why we are sitting in front of the screen. See, even I was in a class, I just winded up within 45 minutes. I wanted to jump in. I said, brother, I will attend. நாங்க எல்லாருமே கூட இருக்கிறோம். இந்த புக் it is going to give more value to more people. And தமிழ்ல வரும்போது சக்தியும் சிவனும்னு எழுதுங்க இந்த புக்குக்கு தலைப்பு, சக்தியும் சிவனும். அப்போ வந்து அது வந்து புரியணும், ஒரு குடும்பத்துக்கும் புரியணும். பெண்கள் நம்மளோட கண்கள், அவங்களுக்கு வந்து முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுக்கணும், தூக்கணும் நம்ம. ஆமா, see, it is our responsibility to give energy and support to the girls or a mother or a sister who is in our family. If we don't do that, who is going to do it? We need to be strong to protect them, not to hurt them. We need to give a freedom, we need to give a privilege to them. I'm so happy that my sister Savitri, Shiva brother is gifted with 2 Shaktis, Sagarika and Savitri. இரண்டு சக்தி இருக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு தோல்வியே கிடையாது, வெற்றி மட்டுமே வாழ்க்கையில. அந்த ரெண்டு சக்தி தான் உங்களை தூக்கிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்குது, தூக்கிட்டு போகுது, விட மாட்டேன். we will be there behind you. And see, எங்க அண்ணன் சொன்னாரு, சிகே அண்ணன் சொன்னாரு, நான் செத்து பொழைச்சவன்டா அப்படின்னாரு. செத்து பொழைச்சவருக்கு 3 நிமிஷம் கொடுக்குறீங்க, இது ரொம்ப தப்பு. 30 நிமிஷம் கொடுக்கணும். அவருக்கு தனியா அந்த புக்கை பத்தி பேச வைக்கிறோம் நம்ம. That is very important. ரொம்ப சக்தி. புக்கு வாங்கிட்டேன், புக்கு கண்டிப்பா படிச்சுட்டு I'm going to give my own review. And எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச நிறைய இப்போ சோஷியல் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால நிறைய ஃபேமிலிஸ்க்கு நான் கதை சொல்ல போறேன் உங்களோட படிச்சு. அதுக்குள்ள உங்களோட தமிழ் வெர்ஷன் வந்தோடனே புக்கு வாங்கி அன்பளிப்பா கொடுக்க போறேன். 50 ரூபா தானே, என்னால ஒரு 10,000 ரூபாய்க்கு புக்கு வாங்கி எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுக்குறேன். நல்லா இருக்கு நம்ம குடும்பங்கள். See, that is very important. நம்ம சும்மா போய் 50 ரூபாய்க்கு சாப்பிடுறோம், ஏதோ ஒண்ணு 500 ரூபாய்க்கு சாப்பிடுறோம். ஸோ 50 ரூபா புக்கு என்னால வாங்கி கொடுக்க முடியாதா? ஒரு 100 புக்கு நான் வாங்குறேன், 100 குடும்பத்துக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். I'll buy 100 books and I'll donate to 100 families. Let all the family get benefit out of it. Let them read. See, நான் மட்டும் இருக்கணும்ன்றது முக்கியம் கிடையாது, நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்களோட குடும்பம் நல்லா இருக்கணும். If you want to be happy, you don't grow alone. Make others to come along with you. Let them also grow along with you. That is what needed. My success is not only a victory. The person who is along with me, I need to pull them up to the success.
Energy, super.
That's on a screen la.
Awesome energies.
Here is one.
வணக்கம்.
இல்ல அவர்தான் வணக்கம்.
Here is one person ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க எங்களுக்கு லாஸ்ட் few daysல. So கண்டிப்பா அவங்க ஒரு வேர்ட் சொல்லணும். டாக்டர் அபிநயா. She's a best-selling author. அவங்களும் ஜோத்ஸ்னா அகாடமில தான் இருக்காங்க. And this child, she has helped us a lot. So can you say a couple of sentences, Abhinaya?
She guided us in some of the steps.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm very happy that I'm a part of this launch. Unfortunately, I couldn't log in from the very beginning because I'm in hospital. But somehow I found to join at least at this moment. First of all, my hearty congratulations, sir. You people are amazing. The energy that you both have, it's too infective that it starts spreading to the entire community. So as I said earlier, this book is just like the need of the hour, and I already started reading and I wanted to show something. See, I've even printed the first worksheet, so I'm just taking it and I'm going to do it from today. So this is the power of gratitude. So I'm going to tick from day 1 to day 7 this week, and till now the book is very nice, and it is like it makes me wonder, like, what are in chapter 2, what is the week 2, what is the week 3. So I am very happy that I could help you in a small way possible in your journey of publishing this book in Amazon KDP as such. Whatever I have learned through my journey, from the very bottom of my heart, I wish this book and you a huge success. You both are already successful people, but for the book, it is definitely going to be a blockbuster bestseller, not only in India but also the international platform. I wish you very, 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 very all the best, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm feeling blessed.
Thank you, Abhinaya.
Yeah, Savitri ma'am and Shivakumar sir, if I can just say a few words. Shashi Kumar here from Chennai.
Sashi, how could we forget you? Such a wonderful person, huh? Yeah, hi,
Yeah,
Sashi.
great. I think hearty congratulations to both of you. I think it's really amazing. And joining another Mr. Shashi who mentioned, I would also be another Shashi here, would be glad to buy few thousands of books, not just a couple of them, when it's in Tamil, because, now what can you gift somebody, happiness is something that you can gift to anybody in life. So I'd be more than happy to give this to most of my my colleagues. And when the Hindi version comes, again, we can buy few thousands as well. So, I've become a fan of the entire family of ours, are a fan of your family. We really wish you all the very best in all your endeavors. And I will definitely call you after I go through the book. So thank you again and wish you all the very best.
And Sashi, he creates battery, right? Battery charges for all cell phones.
Charges, yeah. Yeah, I just want to say one thing since you mentioned that. So, Shakti illai, Shivan illai. Nyam vachukanga.
Thank you. Now, he has got 1,000 women employed in his company. He is supporting a whole community through that. I think that is a great service that you are doing, Sashi. Hats off.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ma'am, can we?
Yes, Savi ma'am.
Can we wind up?
Wait,
ma'am,
Devanshu doesn't.
Now we'll go to the vote of thanks. We have a formal vote of thanks by Satya.
I think she finished the informal vote.
She finished the vote of thanks.
I've already finished my thanks speech, Auntie.
Okay. So then shall we wind up?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you. Is there somebody who wants to speak? No, fine. So
wrap it up and then we.
Yeah, this is Jayanti
okay,
here.
we'll wrap it up first. So thank you all dignitaries.
Closed, but we will stay for those who want to interact.
Sure.
Super, Shiva. Even I want to interact with you all.
Yes,
so definitely I'm enjoying this book launch. Definitely we will buy a couple of books, as Suresh said. Awesome couple. Love you both.
Thank you. Love you, Lords. Thank you.
So,
yes,
Savi ma'am, I think we'll formally declare the meeting over and keep the platform open for those who want to stay on. So right now, a big thank you to all those who joined us and those who could not join us. I know that your good wishes are with the author couple, with Sagarika, with the community at large. Thank you all. The meeting is now formally closed, but the platform remains open for as long as you want to be with Shiv and Savi. Thank you all. Good day. Thank you. So thank you, sir. And I'll call it a day now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Rakesh here. Just want to share my thoughts.
Hi, Rakesh.
Welcome. Yeah, Shiva, Savitri and Sagarika, you've been a role model family from the first time I met you at a Toastmasters conference. You know that how Coimbatore was at that time when you people came here. And it was a good jolly ride we have from KCT College to your hotel in Araspuram. It was really good to know a lot of things about your family, and I've been closely following. And this book that you have launched is something mind-blowing. Like me, I know you're going to inspire thousands of people across the globe. Keep it going, inspire all of us. I would definitely read the book and come back to you with the feedback. Pleasure to be here amidst a lot of people whom I either already know or whom I've been admiring from a distance. And definitely great to connect with a lot of people here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for being there.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Ponna Ayyappan, sir.
Sir?
Ponna Ayyappan.
Hi.
For support you have given, I want to personally for sharing the book link with many people, many
Thank
people.
you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you, Pon.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. But இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலி பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்க இந்த டிசிஷன் வந்து ஒரு 10 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடியே எடுத்திருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருந்திருக்கும். Because before 7 years, I am unmarried person. So that it will be very helpful to my, before entering my personal life, it will be very helpful to me. ஒரு 7 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி இந்த புக் எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா நான் நிறைய புக்ஸ் வந்து படிக்கிற பையன். நான் ஒரு லைப்ரரி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரெஷன் வந்து நான் டோஸ்ட் மாஸ்டர் மூலமா தான் அவங்களை மீட் பண்ணேன். மீட் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு ஃபேமிலி, நீங்க எவ்வளவு சப்போர்ட் பண்றீங்க சாருக்கு, சிவா சாருக்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு சப்போர்ட் பண்ண. ஏன்னா இந்த டைம்ல வந்து சில லேடிஸ் எல்லாமே டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி தான் இருக்காங்க. நீங்க ஃபுல் ஃப்ரீடம் கொடுத்து நிறைய விஷயங்களை ஒரு சம் வேல்யூஸ் யூ ஹேட். ஏன்னா எல்லாராலையும் இது பண்றதுக்கு வந்து சாத்தியம் கிடையாது. நிறைய பேர் பேசுறாங்க சொல்றாங்க. அப்படிங்கும்போது நீங்க உங்க டாட்டருக்கு ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட்ரி ஃபிலிம் பண்ணாங்க, அதை நான் பார்த்தேன். நான் சூப்பர் யூனிக் டேலண்ட். உங்க ஃபேமிலியில எல்லாருமே யூனிக் டேலண்டோட பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. ஐ வாஸ் ரியலி இம்ப்ரெஸ்ட் when I was saw you in the Toastmaster meeting. ஒரு டீமாவுக்கு வந்து ஒரு பிரசன்டேஷன் கொடுக்கும்போது வேரியஸ் ஈகோஸ் இருக்கும். இந்த கட்டத்துல 2 பேர் படிச்சிருந்தாலும் வேரியஸ் ஈகோஸ் இருக்கும். பட் அதையெல்லாம் தாண்டி ஒரு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு புக் ரைட்டிங் வரையும் வருதுன்னா அது நிறைய சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கணும் அந்த விஷயங்களுக்கு. கண்டிப்பா டிசர்வ் தட். இந்த புக் வந்து ஒரு ஃபேமிலியிலேருந்து வெளில வரும்போது அதுக்கான டிசர்வ் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். கண்டிப்பா அதை நான் ஃபுல்லா படிச்சுட்டு என்னோட ஃபீட்பேக்கை பர்சனலாக நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன். தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் மை ஹார்ட்டி கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன் டு யுவர் ஃபேமிலி.
ஆனா 26 வருஷம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணப்ப ஈகோ இருக்காது பொண்ணு, எல்லாம் போயிடும்.
Okay, sir. I learned lot of information from your family, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi,
Thank you for.
Mr. Nataraj.
Wow, Nataraj. Hi, great to see you. Super.
Hi, Hi, Shiva. Natarajan here.
Yeah.
So, few words from my side. First is, I was amazed by you, Savi and Sagarika, in the 30th year meeting in CIT in Bangalore. So it was a great effort by you three. You are dancing. So that was my first point. Second point, common thread is, நான் திருச்சி ஆண்டார்வியிலேருந்து வரேன். So I am very happy that you are doing such a wonderful thing from Thillai Nagar, Trichy. Third is, I am a great fan of Sagarika. I also gave her a feedback. So there are 18 human attributes. What I sent you, it is alert, alive, active, complete, clear, concise, desire, decision, determination, natural, neutral, normal, simple, straight, systematic. So all rolled into one is Sagarika. So I could see her in Bangalore. I was very much amazed. Second point is family first. I have not read the book. Definitely I'm going to read it. So I learned how important is family in this COVID time. 210 days I spent with my mom, with my wife, and with my daughter. So I never spent so much of time in my life. So it was a very big change in me. So I had a lot of egos. So I could change my ego, and I could appreciate my wife for the first time in my life. So that was a very big change I could see in the last 210 days. So I could appreciate my life, which I had never done in the last 25 years. So that was a very big change. And from the professional perspective, I work for TVS. I had corporate quality systems and CSR for the TVS group. So definitely I take this book forward, because definitely family is so important, which I learned in the last 210 days. And from the TQM perspective, I do a lot of TPM programs. I am also a speaker right across. I speak in various fora extempore. So they talk about CLIT, customer focus, learning, improvement, and transformation. So you should keep on learning every day, every minute, every second in your life. So I keep learning. So definitely I read this book and take it to the family as well as to my organization. Last but not least, there are 3 great leaders whom I admire. One is Subramania Bharati. So Subramania Bharati told, was a famous quote from Subramania Bharati, உச்சி மீது வானிலிருந்து வீழ்கின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை என்பதில்லை. First one. Second is Swami Vivekananda. So he clearly told, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. So definitely go for the goal, and you work for the process, don't work for the result. So you need to ensure that the process is more important than the result. Third is Mahatma Gandhi. So all of us know who Mahatma Gandhi is. Become the change what you want to see. So don't reel out a lot of stories. Don't reel out. You have to first practice and only then preach. So these are the things what I learned. So all the best to both of you. Shivam illayal, Shakti illai, Shakti illayal, Shivam illai. In fact, this is the other way around. Savi illayal, Shiva illai, Shiva illayal, Savi illai. Hey, thank you for giving me the opportunity. Definitely I'll read the book and give you feedback. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Hi, Devanshu.
Hi.
Hi.
My heartiest congratulations, Savi ma'am, Siva sir, and Sagarika for wonderful feat. I think a lot of people write about biographies, and I think this book could be a stepping stone towards people's thinking and starting writing about families. So I think this is a great opportunity, and I think this could become a part of the history. So where books about families are being written. So it's a great inspirational, and I think I've already started reading a page or two, and I'll surely come back with my reviews once I've gone through. Looks to be amazing, and let's be the start of many wonderful books coming from both of you and Sagarika. I wish you all the best and many congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Devanshu.
Thank you so
Thank you.
This is Jayanti here. I just want to compliment one thing. When I've already bought this book actually from Kindle, and the colorful charts that you have said, and you're taking us to your YouTube link and to your web page, and there's a comic gamification that you have done on that. That is very attractive. That is very catchy and a very novel idea. I just want to compliment you both. It was an interesting aspect. Not much of them would have thought about it. That's very nice.
See, many things she picked up from a guru, Sundar, the Canva class.
Sundar is taking a session now still. I was just giving him the feedback through this journey, and he said he'll also read it. I have already read the 3C and 10 things, 10 challenges. See if I can pick up those 10 challenges and all that. So yeah, I'll make Sundar also read this.
Thank you.
Great work. You're a real role model.
Thank you so much.
But one thing I want to differ. Shiva was telling 26 years the ego and all would have gone. Who said? We are 31 years and we still have ego. Summa adala.
No,
Just
I never argue.
Escapism.
I fully agree with you, ma'am.
This is called one type of escapism.
Yeah, every human being is an escapist. You're right.
Yeah.
Hi, Ram sir, welcome. அப்பயே சொன்னேன் நீங்க மியூட்ல இருந்தது. Mr. Damodaran.
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm Sai Ram. Sir, congratulations to you, sir. It's a great effort, and I look forward to reading the book and sharing the feedback, sir. And I think I might have been the first person to thought about buying the book when you said in the very beginning. I think a few months ago you said that you would publish the book in Amazon. I in fact paid 50 rupees for that book also on Amazon, sir, that time. Then I informed Savitri ma'am about that. Definitely this time I will buy the book and start reading and disseminating the ideas to the society, sir. Definitely. It's a great effort. Congratulations to the great couple who set an example for others to follow, sir.
Thank you, Sairam sir.
That is Koilpatti Damodarana.
Damu, நீங்களா?
தெரியவே இல்ல அடையாளம்.
அடையாளமே தெரியல.
Wow.
Welcome.
நான் யாரோ டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கவர்னர் ரோட்டரியில இருந்து உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. யாருன்னு நானும் பாக்குறேன். அது 314644 தெரியவே இல்ல.
யாருன்னு தெரியல.
சூப்பருங்க.
Welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
இத ரெண்டு வார்த்தை சொல்லுமா? சரி அப்புறம் பேசுறேன் நான். Thank you so much. Anmol, you want to share something?
Anmol?
IIT product.
Thank you,
Thank you
friends.
so
We'll
much. Thank you
close
so
the
much.
session. Thank you so much.